Hi, I'm Heather Lambert with Learning with Miss Lambert, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download a template from Commons and Canvas and make it your own. In this video, I will specifically go over my template that you can use. If you don't have access to that, there might be similar templates that you do have access to, so hopefully it can help you too. Stay tuned. We're going to go into your Canvas course. You're going to pick the one that you want to put the template into. So for the example, I just made one that says Canvas course from a template, but you of course will be importing it into your math or your science or your homeroom, wherever you need that. When you go in, you're going to see import from Commons. And then if you search Lambert Farmhouse, if you have access to my template, it will come up. I shared it with all of the districts that I could. I couldn't find an option with Canvas to let me share with everybody who has access to Canvas. If you don't have access to mine, this will still help you if you're using a different template, hopefully. So you're going to go into it, and then you're going to select Import/Download. And then again, you're going to pick the course that you're putting it into. But we don't want to download it, we just want to import it straight into the course. And it let us know we've successfully started the import. We don't have to sit here, we can go ahead and go back to our course. And as you can see, now the picture has already gone in. Okay, so for this example, I'm going to use my watercolor succulents pack, and we're going to turn this one into that theme instead. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to just edit. Click these little dots down here and you can pull it down and make it larger so it's easier to work with. We're going to click on our header because this is not the one that we want. We're changing it to watercolors. I've already saved everything that I needed so that I'm ready to go. It's all in another folder. So after I've deleted it, I'm going to click this little picture here and I'm going to click Upload Image. I like that Canvas lets you drag and drop now. It's so much easier. So I have my home page banner or header, whatever you want to call it, and I'm going to submit that. And there it is, and I want to make it bigger, so I'm just going to stretch it across. And you can center it. Now I have Welcome to Miss Lambert's class. Next thing we're going to do is edit our buttons. Same thing, we're going to click on it and delete it. And then we're going to click on the picture and we're going to upload image. My first one is announcement, so I'm going to drag it over, submit it. And you can decide your size. I want it a little bit bigger than that. This table helps keep them aligned when you put them as well. You can go to image options and it's going to tell you the size. So 263 and 289. I want to remember that so I can keep all of them about the same size. Done. Now we're just going to go through and we're going to change all of these out with the ones that we chose that we want instead. Now if we want to make sure that this one is as close to the same size as the other one as we can click Image Options and we can put 263 here because that was the same as the other one. And then sometimes it comes 1 point off, I'm not sure why, but now it is at least closer. Click Done and keep going. Okay, now that we have all of our buttons ready, we're going to link our buttons. So to link your button, you're just going to click on the button and you're going to click this little link up here. We're linking, the announcements would be a link right into the course. So it's not an external link, it's internal with the course. So we're going to click Course Links. And here's the important part. For announcements, if we go here and click Announcements, it's going to link it to a particular announcement. We don't want to do that. We want to go to Course Navigation so that when our students click on announcements, it will take them to the announcements page where they can see all of the announcements. Then we're going to go to modules. We're going to do the same thing. Course links. Again, we don't want to link it to a particular module unless you're changing yours every week. I just get mine to modules and my students know where to go when they go there. So I link mine straight to course navigation modules. Of course, if you're doing yours by week, you'll want to click the other modules option to send them directly to which module you want them to go to. Grades is in course navigation. For conference, it's going to depend on what your district uses. My district uses Big Blue Button, which is right within Canvas. So my students will click on conference and it will take them to where we go. If you use Zoom, then when you do your link, you're going to click external links and then you're going to put your Zoom link there. I don't have my conferences set up yet because I don't have my class in here, so this one I'm not going to do right now. Rules and procedures is going to be a course link, but this is a page that I have. So I'm going to link them directly to the rules and procedures page for this one. And then for Miss Lambert, this is my About Me page. So again, this is going to link them to a page, and it's going to be the My Teacher page. So now we have our header, we have all of our buttons ready and linked. Now we're going to scroll down. These are the little page dividers. I like the way they can break things up. So we're going to switch one out to match. We're going to delete. We're going to upload image. We'll use this one. Perfect. These are the little accents that you can change out to match. I just like the way it makes schedule stand out so they can kind of see that it's a smaller heading within this page. I'm going to delete it. I'm going to click on Upload Image. And I'm going to bring over the little accent that I chose from this pack that I want to use. And there's our little accent. Now we're going to use the same banner that we used up here. So since we've already uploaded it, instead of going to Upload Image, this time we're going to go to Course Images, and we're just going to find our page divider and add that in. Same thing here with our accent. We're going to delete it, and we've already uploaded it, so we have it in our Course Images now that we can just select it. Of course, you want to edit your schedule if that's what you want on this page. I like to have the schedule on here, but you can change this out, delete it, and put what you want. We're going to change this. Now, we have everything on our home page set, so we're just going to click Save, and then we can check it to make sure everything looks the way we want. Sometimes with Canvas, things do come out a little wonky looking, and you might want to work on it some. That's why I put the table for the buttons. It helps keep them aligned better. So now we have our home page, the first thing students are going to see when they log in onto our course. So now we're going to click on Pages, and we're going to click View All Pages. And these are going to be all the pages that are already included in this pack. We're just going to go down the list, and the first one we'll do is My Teacher. So when we go into the first one, My Teacher, we see that we have the old template here. It has my picture, it has some information about me. So you want to change this out to your template and to your information. We're going to click Edit at the top. Drag this down and give us some more room. And then same, we're going to click on the picture, click Delete or Backspace to get it off. We're going to upload the image that we want. And this one is the About Miss Lambert. And I made it say About Miss Lambert. You can just say About Me or About My Teacher. All right, I'm going to center this. Looks good. Now, to change the picture, you're just going to click on it and delete it just like you normally would to upload your picture. Let's try a Bitmoji for this one. You can put your actual picture. I just want to see how this looks. Yeah. So whatever you want, and you just drag it to the size that you want it. These you're just going to backspace and type whatever you want. You can change all of this. You don't have to put your education and experience. You don't have to put these things. You can put whatever you would normally put about yourself to your students. This is just an example. We're going to change our little page divider, and then again, we already have this one in our course images, so we don't have to upload anything. We're just going to click page divider. And we're going to do the same for our accent. We already have it. And then in this little table, you could put your phone, your email. You can hit tab if you want to make new cells. If you want to put more information, you can do that however you'd like and put what you want. So now that we have this page done, we're going to click save. We're going to check it and make sure everything looks good. Yes, I like it. We're going to go back to view all pages. And then the next one we have is rules and procedures. Just like on all the other pages, we click edit, drag it down for more room, delete our current header, and we're going to upload the rules and procedures one. Submit. We just want to center it. There we go. Let's change out our accents. Okay, so for rules and procedures, I have just our standards of behavior. I have their consequences for misbehavior, and then I just have some standard procedures. Of course, you'll want to put whatever you discuss with your parents at the beginning of the school year and your students, whatever goes home, whatever you do in your classroom. This is just an example of something that I might have on mine. We're going to click save. We're going to click view all pages, and we're going to go to our last one, which is welcome. And this is just a page that is welcoming them to 4th grade. I have some links here, more about Canvas for them, the student overview, and the Canvas guide. So we're going to edit. Okay, so now that we've changed all of those out to match our theme, we can go in and change whatever your grade is, whatever you might want to say to your kids to get them excited for the new school year. When you're done there, you're going to click save. We're going to go back to view all pages, and now we've gone through and did all of these pages. If you want to add a page, you can click add page right here, and you can make any other pages that you need. The last thing I'm going to show you how to do is change your course picture, the picture that students see when they go to their Canvas homepage. To do that, you're going to go down to settings, and then right here you have image. You're going to click on it. We're going to remove this image and choose a new one. Same thing, drag and drop. I already created mine the way I wanted it. I just made a math one for example. You're going to update course details. And now when your students go to their dashboard and see all of their courses, they will see your new thumbnail right here. That's it. That's how you can edit your page from a template. Have fun!
Thanks for watching. I hope this helped and that you're ready to make your Canvas page beautiful. If you have any questions, you can always email me at learningwithmisslambert@yahoo.com. And if you liked this video and it helped you out, please like and subscribe and hit the bell so you can get the notifications when I have more videos up. Thanks, bye.